Now coming to the next topic, which is basically known as the pseudocode. Now what is pseudocode? Okay, coming to the topic, what do you mean by pseudocode? What is pseudocode? Okay, just see, if we talk about an algorithm which we are writing using paper, pen and pencil, and when we are implementing it on the as a program, then you can say that algorithm is independent of any language. It is not machine dependent, and program is completely dependent upon the machine. Okay, upon the machine and also on the language. Hence we can say that there is a gap between algorithm and program. That is, it is purely machine independent and it is purely basically machine dependent. It depends upon the language also, on which programming language we are implementing, whether we are implementing in C or C++ or Java or Python, and in this we are not using any particular language. Hence there is basically a gap between algorithm and program. Then what is a pseudocode? A pseudocode is a way to represent the step-by-step methods in finding the solution to the given problem, and also it fills the gap between algorithm and program. That is, we actually not write the algorithm, we write some code in such a way which sometimes resembles the program but not actually the complete program. Some features of program are used and some features of algorithms are used, and in that way we are designing the pseudocode. That is, in this subject we are actually not writing the code, but we are not writing basically the algorithm, we are basically writing the pseudocodes which use some properties of algorithm for working and use some properties of a program for working, and in this way we are designing. Basically, what is a pseudocode? It is simply a high level description of the algorithm. It is simply a high level description of algorithm. That is, we are providing a high level description of program. The other point is, it is less detailed than the program. It is less detailed than the program. It is less detailed than the program. That is, many features of program are not included in pseudocode. Many features of program are not included in pseudocode. Okay. The third, you can say the third properties of pseudocode, if you want to understand, is it does not reveal the design issues of the program. It does not reveal the design issues of a program. That is, if we talk about of a program, it does not reveal its issues. And the last and important feature of pseudocode is that we use English-like language. We use English-like language for writing the pseudocode. Okay. Thus we can say pseudocode is high-level description of an algorithm. It is less detailed than the program. That is, many features of software engineering which are used in the program are hidden in pseudocode. For example, abstraction, data hiding, and many properties. It does not reveal the design issues of a program, and English-like language we are using. Okay. Now, what is the difference between pseudocode and program? We can say, I am not writing here, I am just telling you in theoretical way, just listen it. What is the difference between pseudocode and program? We can say, in pseudocode, we employ whatever expressive method is most clear and concise to specify a given algorithm. Sometimes the clear method is English, such as we can use English phrase or sentences embedded within a section of real code or the program. Okay. The another difference is that pseudocode and real code is that in pseudocode is not typically concerned with the design issues of software engineering. Issues of data abstraction, modularity and error handling are often ignored in order to convey the essence of the algorithm more concisely. Okay.